Caitlin Clark, the rising star of women's basketball, is on the brink of signing a groundbreaking endorsement deal with Nike worth a staggering $28 million over 8 years. This deal, as reported by the Wall Street Journal, signifies a major milestone in Clark's career and highlights the growing recognition of female athletes in the sports industry. At just 22 years old, Clark has already captured the attention of fans and industry giants alike with her exceptional talent and charisma both on and off the court. Following her standout performance in college basketball, where she shattered records and drew record-breaking viewership during the NCAA tournament, Clark's marketability and appeal have soared to new heights. The endorsement deal with Nike not only underscores Clark's prowess as a player but also reflects her potential as a brand ambassador. With the promise of a signature shoe and substantial financial backing, Clark's partnership with Nike symbolizes a significant investment in women's sports and the acknowledgement of their value in the athletic landscape. This lucrative deal comes amid heightened scrutiny over the gender pay gap in professional sports, particularly in leagues like the WNBA where salaries have long been a point of contention. Despite being the top pick in the WNBA draft, Clark's projected starting salary pales in comparison to her male counterparts in the NBA, sparking outrage and calls for equitable compensation. However, with the endorsement deal from Nike, Clark's earning potential transcends the confines of her WNBA contract, demonstrating the power of endorsement deals in bolstering athletes' income and visibility. As she prepares to embark on her professional career with the Indiana Fever, Clark's partnership with Nike serves as a beacon of hope for female athletes striving for equal recognition and compensation in sports.